I posted a vote poll about what you guys want. It's Shake's pack or Shake's tutorial. The poll was almost 50-50. So I decided to make a Shake series which includes Shake Reset and tutorial. So if you want to share your opinion and vote for what you need like this, then hit the subscribe button and turn the notification button on so that you can stay connected to my upcoming videos. And if you want to master Alight motion, then you have to watch tutorials. So for this reason, the preset of this Shake will be dropped in comment section after 500 likes. So without wasting any more time, let's begin.